Hello everyone, my second package from Titip Jepang that I bought from Mercari have arrived. There are two items actually. Here is the official photo book of Apeace in Guam, and also this few things from the past that I bought in Mercari with the help from Titip Jepang. Let's start with the two cards that actually will be hanged in Cat Theater Tokyo Christmas tree. I really like the red one, so I guess I will give this white one to my friend. Here are three phone cleaner. One is Sunghyuk, one is Jaewon, and one is Dongho. There are 5 trading cards here. One is Daewoo. Also there is also Goni and Sunghyuk and Jaewon and Sungho. There are also 3 postcards here. One is from XOXO. One is Onyx with Sungwoo, the basic form. And also there is this photo card that I love so much. Actually, here is the beginning formation of Apeace with 21 members. There is, yeah, I like this one. And here is the official photo books of Apeace in Guam. I will open it for you. Here is one sheet. There is Sunghyuk, Goni, then Youngwook, then Wanchul, then Junsik, Doohwan. There is also Sehyun, Sihyuk, and Sungho, and JD. Here is the group pictures. Overall, the photo book is so cute. Thank you for the Japanese fans that sold the book in Mercari, so I can have the book. Yeah, that's all for the unboxing video. If you want to buy items from Mercari, I will give you 2 options in the description. It is also if you live in Indonesia. If you live in other country, you probably can Google about Japan buying service because it is quite popular nowadays. Thank you. Bye bye.